Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. I would knit the dimensions back together if it were within my power.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Well, if it ain't Gambit's favorite one-eyed Jack. Look like we got ourselves a winning hand.
Glad to see you too, Remy. Ready for the fight ahead?
Gambit fully charged and ready to explode, Scott.
Good, because we'll need a lot more than just potential if we want to come out on top
The
of
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Once I saved lives with a scalpel. Now I do it with a spell.
We gonna claim this place or not?
Yes!
Stay hitting real hard!
Our enemies are near. I am strengthened for battle.
You need assistance. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area! Double KO! Make it!
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme. Do your worst.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. My spirit steadies. I'm hit.
The doctor is in. Good medicine.
You need to teach me that. Damn it! They almost got him!
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
In front of us. Out, dark magic.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime. Control seized. Success is ours.
Let's ride, Big Red!
Good medicine.
Found me someone to fight!
Leave me, darkness.
That's why you're the one in charge, son.
By the eye.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Gotta keep him from stealing what's ours.
Control lost! No winner yet. Going to overtime!
When science failed me, magic was there.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
The power you unleash from your eyes, does it ever run out?
Not in my experience. Some say it's channeled from a dimension of pure concussive force.
Ah, the so-called punch dimension. America Chavez told me it once. I've been meaning to
The battle
study-
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Been away from the battle for too long. It's nice to be back in action.
Ready to go full force. Hostiles up front. Robot spiders all over.
Good medicine. I purge the darkness.
Oh, winner! Hey!
Looks like the mission area is yours. Capture the mission area! Need assistance! Got another one. Double KO! That's 3! Wow,
Are
4 in
shaking
a
again.
row!
Focus.
I'm doing this my way.
I have not seen so many spiders since
This spot's
Never mind.
This is real firepower!
I purge the darkness.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Double KO!
The doctor is in.
I was always
Director's injured! Mayday!
I'm opening a portal. A shortcut through space.
Optic Fury!
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
Open your eye.
30 seconds before you attack.
entanglement is a
Get ready.
vexing problem. Even for the Sorcerer Supreme.
You hunt with instinct. So do I.
Don't want to lose this fight, but losing Rogue is what I'm most worried about.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Propulsion beam!
Once I saved lives with a scalpel. Now I do it with a spell. Enemy in front of us. Good medicine.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
A successful operation. Leave me, darkness. I feel restored. Darkness!
Hey, hitting real hard!
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Leave me, darkness! My life is in peril. Thank you. Out, dark magic!
I appreciate you. The area's
I have
almost yours.
unfinished business here.
Gambit never falls!
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime. Control lost.
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I am strengthened by the Eye of Agamotto. I am here to
Control seized. No winner yet. Going to overtime.
As Sorcerer Supreme, I oversee other magical adepts.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I've had my eye on you for some time, Mr. LeBeau.
Tell me more, Cher. And please, call me Remy.
Tiger Division has been planning a massive sting operation on the Thieves Guild. And you're our key person of interest.
On second thought, call me Logan.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Some honeymoon this turned out to be. Well, fancy seeing you here.
Good medicine.
The legions of hell beyond count.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Need assistance!
I purge the darkness. I am strengthened for battle. Leave me,
Well, look
darkness.
who's up to no good.
Like myself again.
I have unfinished business here.
A feast for my crows!
They captured the mission area!
I'm burning hot!
Director's injured! Make
I
it!
feel restored.
Taking it all!
Cage can't hold it, Gumiho!
Gambit never falls!
Leave me, darkness.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
A timely intervention.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Control C's!
Need assistance!
By the eye of Agamotto! I purge the darkness.
Director's injured! Make it!
Control
Mystic
lost!
arts won't fail me again.
Maximum impact!
They've almost got it! So many things to
Usually I create my own shield.
Maximum impact!
Damage sustained! Need assistance! Only on me!
Not there yet. Going to overtime. Control seized.
successful operation.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Hey, hit real hard.
I'm hit! Cover me!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Leave me.
Face my crows.
Got eyes on.
Power beyond sight!
Protect your rear.
Victory's almost yours!
Midgard has a worthy sorcerer after all.
A timely intervention.